Yes. Now, if this would have been, seminar in a room, we always do interactive seminar, at least I. So, because we are in this online platform, the only way for me to communicate with you is through the chat window. And during the session, we have a couple of occasions where, you can ask me question and answers. So this is not at the end. This will be somewhere around, let's say, after 20 minutes or 40 minutes. We have some question answer milestones where you can ask any questions. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And to get started with this session, let me ask you, do you want to achieve success in your life? And those who are listening, those who are watching, feel free to add the comments in the chat section. Yeah, Indrapreet, thank you so much. We all want success, right? So, but many times what happens, we say that we want to achieve success, and you might have seen there are many people in this world, they want to achieve success. But what they do is, when there is an opportunity to learn something about success, they don't show up. And while you are here, attending this seminar, attending this webinar, I want to say thank you for joining, because you are one of the special people who also want to achieve success, at the same time willing to take action. Very few people take actions, but you are one of them who take action. So thank you so much for joining. Yes. Now this webinar is not about CV or interview or job applications. These are the things maybe you might have learned in many other webinars, or you can easily learn, let's say, YouTube or anywhere else. But this particular webinar is all about something special. It's all about you. It's all about you. And and that stuff that really matters, the one thing that really makes a difference in your life. It's all about that. Another thing is, it's about attracting success. Many times, let's say it's a career success or business success or leadership success, people are chasing the success. So in this today's session, I will help you understand what you can do to attract the success towards you. And it's a whole different mindset. When you position yourself to attract something in your life, you don't have to worry about following someone or chasing something. This whole idea about attraction actually helped me in my career, helped my clients in their businesses, in their career. And that is something which I'm going to share with you. And as I said earlier, it has worked for my clients, it has worked for me. So it's definitely, if you understand that and you apply that, it will work for you. So let's get started. Probably I'm looking at 60 to 75 minutes for this webinar. So make sure if you have any other distractions, phone or anything, keep it aside. But pay attention to this. It will be useful.